it's Gina from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads, and I'm here today with a very exciting bead and jewelry making subscription unboxing called Adornable Elements, and all the information as far as their website will be below. But just let me take a minute to explain a little bit about their subscription. They actually have 8, and out of their 8 subscriptions, they have single and double Beads of the Month Club. So whether you want to pay for half the amount of beads that you'll see that I'm getting here because I'm a double subscriber, you know, they have different price points, but they have 8 different subscriptions, which is awesome. They have Fire Polish Beads of the Month, they have 2 Whole Beads of the Month, Super Duos, 11O Delicas, 11O Seed Beads, and Swarovski Crystals. And I don't think I mentioned they also have a club called the Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month Club, which is for, as you guessed it, the hot and trendy beads of the month. So what you'll see today for my unboxing is what's called the double rotating Beads of the Month Club, which means that I will get to rotate through all of those different clubs each month. So each month I'll get a different one of those subscriptions. Now I've already gotten the Delicas, I've already gotten the Seed Beads, and I've already gotten the Super Duos over the past 3 months. So I have no idea what's in this box, but it should be different from that. It should be one of the other clubs that I mentioned. And the club price of the one I'm opening today is $39.95 a month, plus $4.50 shipping if you're in the lower US. Now, if you want the single rotating Beads of the Month Club, it will be $22.95 a month, plus $4.50 shipping if you're in the lower US, which would be about half the beads that you'll be seeing here. So, enough blabbing. Let me go ahead and open the box, because I'm so excited to see what's in it, and I know you guys are too. And by the way, you can enter code OPAL10 at checkout if you are a new subscriber or if you are upping your subscription, and you will receive 10% off your first box. So pretty cool. Take advantage of that OPAL10 discount code if you are interested. So let's see what we got. Take this out. And they always have a really cool theme each month, and usually the beads come color coordinated. Let me just take a look at my little paper. Okay. So, which one did we get, you guys? It's nice. They always send another storage case, which I can always use. And it looks like Swarovski crystals is what we received. Yay, very exciting. So as you know, Swarovski crystals are not cheap, and they list the retail price on the side of, you know, what you would have paid if you were to pay retail cost for these crystals. And they also include the list, which is excellent, specifically stating the size and the name of the bead and the color and how many you get. And again, here's the retail price. So they're saying the total retail value of this box is $62.25, saving you $12.30, which is almost 20% if you were to pay retail. It looks like we have a theme here, rolling hills, so maybe a little blue and green. Let's flip it over and see. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Look at these Swarovski crystals. So let's get into it, and we'll go through one by one what is included. Excuse me. Okay, so it looks like our first item is 6mm iridescent light blue pearls, and there are 100 of those. Retail price on them is $14.25. And as you can see, they have a code that coordinates with the list, so you can easily tell what everything is. Aren't they pretty? So they're glass pearls, as you can see, and look at that iridescent finish on them. Isn't that beautiful? Not just a flat color. Gorgeous when the light hits them. So, excellent. Then we have a 10mm Peridot Margarita flower. There's 12 of those. Retail value is $8, which would be this container right here. Let's open them up. And I love these little containers they send. Aren't they cute? So Swarovski always has excellent quality beads. They're very uniform. The holes are nice and smooth so they don't cut your thread. They're faceted beautifully so the light picks them up just right. Look at that. Look how beautiful those are. Cute little disc shape. Very nice. Alright, then we have what's called the 4mm Aqua Helix bead, and there's 36 of those. Retail value $14.75. Loving the aqua and green. They do a great job at coordinating the beads. They usually send a nice box of coordinating color, so it's very easy to put something together. These are very cool. So they kind of remind me of a bicone, but if you look closely you can see that they're just a bit different. They're just cut differently. Very sparkly, and again, very uniform. Gorgeous. Okay. Then we are looking for a 8mm Aqua diagonal cube bead. There's 4 of those. Retail value $9.75. Okay. Oh my goodness, these are stunning. And the hole is drilled on the diagonal, which is really interesting. So that'll look pretty unique once it's put on, because it won't just sit like a flat cube. They're very nice. No chips or cracks or anything in these beads. Very nice. Okay, let's keep going. Got 2 more items left, so we're looking for a 6mm Peridot Bicone, 36 of those. And the retail value is $9. So that's these lovelies. And of course, when I think Swarovski, I think bicones. So I think it's natural to get those in the Swarovski box. And these are great for bead weaving because if you've seen the Chinese crystal bicones, you know they're okay. I mean, they're really inexpensive, but if you're trying to do something that's really nice, particularly bead weaving, Swarovski is their way to go because they are so uniform. So your finished product is going to come out uniform. So I have a lot of 4mm bicones, but not a lot of 6mm, so it is nice to have the larger size. Okay, so we have one more item to look forward to, and that is an 8mm crystal faceted round. There's 12 of those, retail value at $6.50, and that's right here. So classic item is crystal rounds. They will go with so many different things, and these are beautiful. Again, you can tell how excellent the quality is. Everything is gorgeous, faceted just so. Everything's very uniform. So they will make something very beautiful, I'm sure, and I cannot wait to work with these Swarovski crystals. They are beautiful. So as you guys can see, if you were to subscribe to the Swarovski crystals Beads of the Month only, this is the type of thing that you could expect to receive. So you'd get 6 different items, it looks like, of Swarovski crystal, either pearls or crystals. And you would get something different than I did because obviously this month is going to be closed out, but you would get something similar, maybe different colors, but probably coordinated. That's what they typically do. And this is about the quantity that you receive if you were to go with their double Swarovski crystals of the month. Now I will say, if you are doing just Swarovski crystals, the price is $49.95 a month. Again, for the rotating Beads of the Month club, which I do, where I get to rotate through all of them, it's about $39.95 a month plus shipping. Now if you were to do the single crystals of the month, you could expect something like this, but about half the amount of beads. And that price on the Swarovski is $26.95 a month plus shipping. And for the single rotating Beads of the Month Club, it's about $22.95 plus shipping. But again, you know, I really encourage you to go on their website, and that address is below. Take a look at all their different clubs and see what might be right for you. I love to work with a variety of different beads, so I love the fact that they have a rotating Beads of the Month Club, which will let me cycle through all the different beads, and it helps me to build up my stash on a monthly basis. And let me tell you, the beads they send are such good quality, and the fact that they coordinate them, I've been able to use so many of their beads already, and it's been a lot of fun to work with them. So I do want to encourage you to go on their website, check it out, check out all the different clubs they have, and don't forget to use that code OPAL10 at checkout, which will save you 10% off your first box. So check it out, see what you think. I hope this was helpful for you guys and at least fun for you to see what types of things were in this really cute Rolling Hills Swarovski Crystals Beads of the Month Club box. And as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them for me below, or comments. Let me know what your favorite thing is here. I really appreciate you being with me, and I hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would also love for you to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and Etsy. Orchid and Opal Jewelry. Thanks for watching.